Hi students, today let us learn about RC coupled amplifier. In multi-stage amplifier, RC coupled is very important in multi-stage amplifiers. So what is multi-stage means? When the gain of one amplifier is not enough, then we have to take two or more amplifiers and they can be cascaded. Cascaded means they can be connected like this, in this way. Okay. So then the gain will be, total gain will be multiplication of product of all the individual gains like this. So here, when we couple the signal from one stage to another stage, we can use an RC network, or a transformer, or we can connect the signal directly. So depending on this, they are called as RC coupled amplifier, transformer coupled, and directly coupled amplifiers. Among these, today we are going to discuss about RC coupled amplifier. So, before going to the explanation, you must learn how to draw the circuit. So, the simple way is to start the circuit with a transistor. Here, this is a NPN transistor. You know that this is transistor TR1, and this transistor itself will not be enough to amplify the signal. It needs some associatory circuit. The first one is R1, R2, which are connected in the base circuit for biasing. So what is biasing means? To make the input junction forward bias and the output junction reverse bias of a transistor. And then you will have a capacitor C in, which is called as input capacitor. It will block DC and it allows only AC signal into the amplifier. So here we are giving the input signal which is weak one and which you want to amplify. Okay. And among all these, RE is very important one, which is called as stabilization resistor. Stabilization resistor. So this will remove the temperature variations, effect of temperature variations on the amplifier. And you will have a capacitor which is called as CE, and it is named as bypass capacitor, and it will ground the unwanted signal like this. So this is first stage of a RC coupled amplifier. This is one stage. And now you have to draw another stage in the same manner. First of all, let us draw a transistor, the same one, NPN transistor. Here you are having a biasing network which is R1, R2, and this is RE for stabilization, and CE is a bypass capacitor. And this is called the second stage. So here this is the first stage and this is the second stage. Now you have to couple the signal from first stage to second stage using coupling components. So this is RC coupling resistor and a capacitor CC, which is called as coupling capacitor. So this is the RC network and you are coupling the signal to the base of the second transistor. Okay. At the second transistor also, you will have the same circuit which is called RC and CC, and output will be taken from these points, 2 points. Here you can take the output. Okay. and this is two-stage RC coupled amplifier. In this, you have to give VCC, which is used to switch on the transistors TR1 and TR2. So this is RC coupled amplifier. Okay. When you explain the circuit, you must go through the definition first. So what is the definition here means? In a multi-stage amplifier, when the signal from one stage is given to the next stage using RC network, then it is called as RC coupled amplifier. And then what about the construction? So construction, how we draw this amplifier means TR1 and TR2 are the two transistors which are meant for amplification, and R1 and R2 are the biasing network. RE is the stabilization resistor, C is the bypass capacitor, and C in, it will block DC and allows AC into the circuit. Now let us go through the working. Weak signal which has to be amplified will be given at the input of the transistor 1, first transistor. This will amplify the signal. The transistor will amplify the signal. The amplified signal will appear at the RC, that is collector resistor. Output will be like this. How? It will have 180 degrees of a phase shift. 180 degrees of phase shift due to the working of the transistor. So this is the output of the first transistor. Then the transistor TR2 will get the input from CC, which is coupled through RC network, and it is given at the base of the transistor T2, and it will amplify the signal again. So at the output you will have an amplified signal. Again here you have 180 degrees of phase shift. So totally you will get the positive cycle in the first phase, and then so output will be taken from this output point. Now let us discuss about the frequency response of the RC coupled amplifier. When you have a look at the RC coupled amplifier, you have to draw the graph between the frequency and the gain of the amplifier. It may be denoted by A or G something. So here it will have a very flat response from 50 hertz to 20 kilohertz. 50 hertz to 20 kilohertz, which is exactly equal to the audio range, which is 20 hertz to 20 kilohertz. In this range from 50 to 20 kilohertz, it will amplify all the signals in the similar manner, in very uniform manner. That means let the input is 1 millivolt here, and the output of the second transistor, let it be 100 millivolts for example, and you are having the signals with different frequencies. Let it be 1 kilohertz, one signal 5K, and 10 kilohertz, 15 kilohertz. Different signals will have different frequencies. So all the signals, all the points will be amplified to the exact 100 millivolts. That means 100 times the signal will be amplified. Whatever may be the frequency, it may be with the 1 kilohertz or 5 kilohertz or 10 kilohertz, whatever may be the frequency, you will have the same output. So this uniform gain will make this RC coupled amplifier very special one, and it is used for all the audio applications. So about the frequency response, you have to tell the 2 points. The gain is very constant, and in audio range it is excellent. Okay, then let us discuss about the advantages of a RC coupled amplifier. What are the advantages? So it has very uniform gain. Gain is very flat and it is constant. The first point and very important one. And then When you see the circuit, all the circuit is having R and C, which has very low cost and less weight. Okay. So, what about the disadvantages means here it has a load effect due to RC, and also the gain is a bit low when compared to transformer coupled amplifier. So the disadvantage is the gain of the RC coupled amplifier is low compared to the transformer coupled amplifiers. And now the last one is what are the applications? So when you go for these applications, it is used for all the audio circuits, audio frequency amplifications. So what are the audio frequency amplification applications means you can take radio, tape recorder or public address system or any audio signal will be amplified by the RC coupled amplifier. So this is the explanation about RC coupled amplifier. And thank you.